video, we'll be looking at the square of a two-digit number. We'll apply Vedic Mathematics trick to squaring a two-digit number in the quickest possible way. Now, what does it mean to square a number? To square a number means to multiply the number by itself. Like for instance, the square of 2 actually means to multiply 2 by 2, which is 4. The square of 3 is 3 times 3, which is 9. And the shortcut for writing the square of a number is writing the number. Like for instance, if you want to express the square of 3, you can just write 3 with a 2 on top. This 3 with a 2 on top actually implies the square of 3. So we actually say 3 to power 2, or 3 to index 2, or 3 to exponent 2. And the square of 3, like we've said, is 9. The square of 4, which is 4 to power 2, is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. The square of 5, which is 5 times 5, is 25. So these are just single digit number. It's easy to obtain the square of a single digit number. But how about when we are squaring a two-digit number that ends in 5? There's a quick method we can use. We can actually apply Vedic Mathematics trick to squaring a two-digit number that ends in 5. So for instance, we want to find the square of 25. We want to obtain the square of 25, which is 25 times 25. Now, 5 times 5 is 25. The idea we're going to use is based on the fact that the square of any number that ends in 5, at the end you will always have 25. So what we do is that 5 times 5 is what? 25. And you're going to increase one of the number, this digit. Either you increase this one to 3 or increase this one to 3. So you have 2 times, you increase this to 3. 2 times 3 gives you 6. So 25 times 25 is 625. I go over this method again. Assuming you want to obtain the square of 25, which is 25 times 25. All you need to do is just multiply 5 times 5, which is what? 25. Then increase this 2 to 3 and multiply this 2. It's going to be 2 times 3, which is what? 625. So the square of 25 is 625. Now we move on to example 2. In example 2, we're going to look at the square of 25, which is 35 times 35. So, like we said, that the square of any two-digit number that ends in 5 will always end in 25. When you square this number, the last two digits is going to be 25. Then the other digits in front, all you need to do, just increase this 3 to 4. So you're going to have 3 times 4, which is 12. 3 times 4 gives you 12. So the square of 35, which is 35 times 35, is 1225. So for any two-digit number that ends in 5, know that when you square it, there will always be 25 at the extreme right. Then increase the other digits by one of the other digits by 1 and multiply them together. So we're going to look at the square of 65. which is 65 times 65. So the first thing is that our answer at the extreme right, when we square this number, we're going to have 25. Then we multiply 6 times 7. Instead of 6 times 6, we increase one of the 6 to 7 by 1 to 7. So 6 times 7 is 42. We add it to 25, which we originally had. And at the end of the day, the square of 65 is 4,225. So this can be extended to any 2-digit number. That this method can actually be extended to any 2-digit number that ends in 5. In our next example, we're going to be looking at how to obtain the square of 95. For the square of 95, so we're going to have, we know that our answer, we have 95 times 95. At the extreme end, we're going to have 25. Then 9 times, we increase this by 1, it gives us 10. 9 times 10 is 90. So the square of 95 is actually 9,025. You can on your own practice these on. You can just do your personal practice so as to become accustomed to the method.